Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Quran Time with Hania, where we explore the Quran and the interesting stories inside this marvelous book. The 13th part of the Quran covers the remainder of Surah Yusuf, Surah Ra'd, and Surah Ibrahim. Most of Surah Yusuf has been covered in the previous part. However, an important point was mentioned in verses 97 and 98. Allah explains that we should make the Prophet a link toward Allah. Only the Holy Prophet and those who follow him have insight. It has been narrated that the perfect example of the followers of the Holy Prophet is Imam Ali, and this verse has been revealed especially in the glory of Imam Ali. The beginning of Surah Ra'd mentions Allah's many attributes. He is the creator of the heavens and the earth, the sun and the moon, the night and the day, the mountains and the canals, the grains and the fruits of different colors, tastes and fragrances. Death and life, profit and loss are in His hands alone, and Allah has appointed angels for the protection of human beings. Surah Ra'd also discusses the topic of prophethood. Allah explains that He has sent a leader for a prophet for every nation. The Prophet said that I am the one who brought the message of Allah to my nation, and Imam Ali is the one who will provide guidance for that message. The witness of the Holy Prophet being the messenger from Allah is Allah, and He is the one who has the knowledge of the book. The Prophet gave the example of the personality of Imam Ali as the one with that knowledge. And with that, Surah Ra'd finishes and Surah Ibrahim begins. Surah Ibrahim explains that all the heavens and the earth are made by Allah. He sent down water from the sky, then He brought forth for the human beings various kinds of fruits from the earth, and made the waterways and the canals subservient to human beings. The sun and the moon, and the night and the day are in the service of human beings. All that human beings ask for is granted by Allah. His blessings are so great that even counting them is beyond the reach of human beings. For the consolation of the Prophet, it has been said that even with the previous prophets, their people had adopted the same attitude of rejection, enmity, and hostility which he is facing. Hell is a place for the disbelievers, and paradise is for the believers. On the day of resurrection, after the reckoning, the devil will say to those who are astray, "The promise that God had made to you was true, and the promise that I had made to you was false. I did not force you, you believed in me. I deceived you. Now blame yourself instead of blaming me." Allah explains that being grateful increases blessings, and for the ungrateful, there is a severe punishment from Allah. The example of the deeds of the disbelievers is like the ashes that a strong wind blows away. The word of truth and faith is like a pure tree. Its roots are very strong, and its fruit is very sweet. The word of falsehood and misguidance is like an unclean tree. It has no end, and even if it does, it is fruitless. Allah is aware of the deeds of the oppressors, and great punishment awaits them. Prophet Ibrahim's 6 supplications to his Lord are mentioned in these verses. O Lord, make this city a city of peace, and keep me and my children away from idol worship. Protection from idolatry. O Lord, these idols have led many people astray, so whoever follows me is from me, and whoever disobeys me, then you are forgiving and merciful. Sustenance. My Lord, I have placed my children near your house, which is your sanctuary, in a barren land, so that they may establish prayer. So turn the hearts of some people towards them, and provide them with fruits, so that they may give thanks to you. The inclination of hearts. O Lord, you know what we conceal or reveal, and nothing in the heavens and the earth is hidden from Allah. Establishment of prayers. O my Lord, make me one who establishes prayer, and do the same for my children. O Lord, accept our supplications. Request for forgiveness. My Lord, forgive me, my parents, and all the believers on the day when the reckoning is established.